Hello guys, thank you once again. In this video, guys, I will make some clarification about Meta things. So, Meta using your gallery pictures in training their Meta AI. Sadly to say it, but you need to disable it as soon as possible. So, all what you need to do, go for your profile picture, then scroll up till you find three dots, and then press it. Go for settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll find camera roll sharing suggestion. The thing is here, as you can see, when you give permission on Facebook to access your device camera roll to post pictures down there, we use basic meta where photos were taken or which is I favorite to make sharing suggestion from your camera roll while you browse Facebook. You can turn it off anytime. So guys, it's actually training their freaking models with your gallery pictures. It's an option behind this. It's always on whenever. It's like by default should be off, not on. So all what you do is just make it off, guys. That's it. Keep thinking about it. I like there is a lot of things and options from Meta that is on per default. So guys, just disable it and enjoy.